Welcome to PhotoFox AI, your all-in-one creative partner for product images and videos. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through all the powerful features PhotoFox AI offers and show you exactly how to use them step by step. Whether you're a business owner, a content creator, or just someone looking to save time and money, this guide will help you unlock the full potential of PhotoFox AI. Automatic mode. Let's start with automatic mode. Upload your product image and optionally add style instructions. Next, choose how many outputs you want and set your preferred dimensions. You'll see two options, semi-automatic and fully automatic. Semi-automatic lets you review each step, prompts, image generation, and videos before finalizing. Fully automatic gives you the final result instantly. Under Content Options, you can upscale your images and generate videos in light or standard mode. Finally, click the Start Automation button, and PhotoFox AI delivers your images and videos immediately. Next is AI Photography. Upload your image, write your prompt describing the style, and optionally use Enhance Prompt to refine it. Select the number of images you want or choose a template to get a ready-made perfect prompt. Click Generate Image, and your high-quality photos are ready within moments. Now, let's explore AI Videography. Upload your product image and describe the video you want in the prompt section. Click Enhance to automatically refine your prompt if needed. Choose your video model, 720p for standard or Pro 1080p for high-quality output. For more control, open Advanced Parameters to set duration, frame rate, and number of videos. Click Generate Video, and you'll get a stunning product video instantly. Next, the Image Upscale feature. Upload your image and select the upscale factor, 1.2x, 2x, or 3x. In Advanced Parameters, you can add a prompt, negative prompt, and adjust creativity versus resemblance. Click Upscale Image, and your image is delivered in higher quality. Now, the Train Your Model feature. Enter your product name and choose a training speed, standard for higher quality or fast for quick results. Upload at least 3 images of your product from different angles and scenarios. 5 to 6 or more is recommended. Click Start Training, and your custom product model is ready. Next time, your trained model will appear in this section. Click Generate, enter a prompt, select the number of images, and explore advanced options for variations, negative prompts, and templates. Click Generate Image, and you'll get a consistent, high-quality images of your product every time. Next, Image to Prompt. Upload a photo you like, enter the subject name if needed, and select how many prompts you want. Click Generate Prompts, and PhotoFox AI gives you perfectly written prompts that match your image, ready to use for your own creations. Finally, the Fashion Try-On feature. Upload your model's image and the garment you want to see on them. Select the number of images and click Try On Now. PhotoFox AI instantly generates realistic images of your model wearing the garment, ready to showcase or share. That's a complete walkthrough of PhotoFox AI. From automatic image and video generation, to AI photography, videography, upscaling, custom model training, prompt generation, and fashion try-on, PhotoFox AI makes it all simple, fast, and high quality. Now it's your turn. Upload, create, and bring your product visuals to life.